Hello! Welcome to our Flat for Education video tutorials. Flat for Education is the best solution to create any music notation activity on Teams. In this video, you'll discover our Teams app. With our Microsoft Teams app, you can quickly share any music score from your Flat account to a Teams group or chat as an interactive score. Your students can access the score with one click. There is no need for them to sign into Flat. You can get our Teams app from the Microsoft App Stores or directly in Microsoft Teams by adding a new tab to your Teams class or chat. Click on the Add button to create a new tab in your Teams group or chat. Then, choose Flat in the list. Once the configuration dialog is open, you can either sign into Flat using your Microsoft account and choose a score from your account, or you can paste the link to your score. Once your interactive score is added as a tab to your group or chat, any participant can view, play, or print it. If you want your students to create their own music scores or use Flat for your assignments, you can use Flat for Education with Teams. We'll talk about this in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!